In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to VLC Media Player quickly and easily. This is perfect if you're watching a movie in another language, following along in a noisy environment, or you just want better clarity while watching videos on your computer. VLC is completely free, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and adding subtitles only takes a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact steps from start to finish, even if you're a beginner. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, you need to load the video you want to watch. You can do this by clicking on Media in the top left corner and choosing Open File, or you can simply drag and drop your video file directly into the VLC window. As soon as the video opens, you should see it start playing in VLC. Now, before adding subtitles, make sure you already have a subtitle file downloaded on your computer. Subtitle files usually end with extensions like .srt, .sub, or .ass. If you don't have one yet, you can search online for subtitles that match your video name and language. Just make sure the subtitle file matches the video version as closely as possible, so the timing lines up correctly. Once your video is playing in VLC, move your mouse to the top of the screen to reveal the menu bar. Click on the Subtitles option in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, look for an option that says Add Subtitle File. Go ahead and click on that. A file browser window will now open. This is where you need to locate the subtitle file on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your subtitle file is saved, select the file, and then click Open. As soon as you do this, the subtitle should instantly appear on your video. You'll see the text displayed at the bottom of the screen, synced with the dialogue. If the subtitles don't appear right away, don't panic. Go back to the Subtitles menu, hover over Subtitle Track, and make sure the subtitle file you added is selected and not set to Disable. You can also adjust subtitle size, color, and font by going to Tools, then Preferences, and clicking on Subtitles and OSD. This is useful if the text is too small or hard to read. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added subtitles to VLC Media Player. Just remember, if you close the video, you may need to re-add the subtitle file, unless the subtitle file is named exactly the same as the video and stored in the same folder. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.